You'd think it was a horror movie. Freaking deserted this is. If it wasn't for the nicely it's like a giant sand trap, one of Jay Reed's golf courses. Nice and fine tuned. Yeah, right. Like some kind of a wedding here. Something. Look at that. Wedding party or something. Interesting folks here, boys. Only 2 boats here today, but at least they're new ones. I already see a North Carolina thing back here. Janthina, Minnesota Beach, North Carolina. I've never heard of that. You gotta look that up. Minnesota Beach, North Carolina. What in the hell? You heard of that one, Ace? I haven't. Minnesota Beach, boys. Minnesota Beach. There it is. There it is. A DNR boat right there. Some kind of a flag right there. All right. Looking for the Lazarus, like on something up here. Some kind of measuring thing for fish. Remember the Alliance, boys? Hey, look, they're sailing today. Check it out. The water's out here today, boys. Some rough waters today, boys. Ricky waters, boys. First appearance of the sun. Alright, so we got a sailing today. Damn, $40. And a 2 p.m. start. It's about 12:30 now. Boarding 10 minutes before. Let's see the. That's pretty cool. I ought to walk up in there and see if that's okay with them. Look at that, boys. Look at that, boys. I would not walk up in there. They get pissed. Yeah, we get pissed. Look at this, boys. All right. That's it, boys.